Okay, let's see if we can create a backup in the Blue Letter Bible app and then share it with another device. So the main thing you're going to do is you're going to do your backup, and you go to Settings, which is the bottom right. I'm using an iPad, so it's good. The little settings icon is going to be in a different place for an Android, but the little settings is the round gear symbol, so it's down here. Okay, and if you scroll through this menu, you'll see backup and restore options. So you now have the option to back up to different things. I'm going to go to the third one where it says backup or restore server. Okay, so I'm going to tap this, and then at the very bottom you'll see these tabs: help, backup, restore server. So I'm going to go to backup, and I'm going to say backup now, and I want to make sure it says, let's see if this will, I'm going to say BLB. It won't let you put any spaces between the name, but it will let you put a dash or an underscore. The only thing is I don't know if it'll let me say where. Let's try it. And then after we do this backup, okay, great. So it backed up all these things: preferences, bookmarks, and so on. You can export your app data. So let's click on that. And you can export a copy of your app data. So you can say share or email. So you can say email and then email it to yourself, or you can say share and share it with one of your devices. Like they're saying you can share with Dropbox or your here, then it's export data. See, email or share your BLB app data, notes, bookmarks. It's everything that they back up. So you can just go directly to this and share it to your other options. So if I say share, I can say AirDrop or save to files, or I can send it to my email. I can send it to my email here. All right? And then if you email it to yourself, then once you open your email, you're going to open it up from your other device, and then you're going to save it to the folder where your BLB files go. Now, you will have to search your device a little bit in your files. So when you do backup or restore on the same device, it's easy, okay? Because you do backup, it's going to back it up locally, and then when you say restore, it knows all the things. See, this is the most recent one I did. The other option, unless you use the iCloud, which would make it easy for you, I don't use that. The easiest thing is going to be to share it with your email, okay? Email, because then you can email it to yourself or someone else and then retrieve it on the other device and download it. The only thing is you've got to know which folder. That's why I was saying if you use the share, but then you have to know where to share it to. Well, if you're using an Apple device, they put people, you can always send directly to a person, but probably if you're using Apple, I think you would use the AirDrop, and that'll let you send it to another device easily. So it's going to be different on an Android. I know in the past I have emailed it to myself, but you do have to know which folder or directory your BLB backups are at, so then if you go to restore, you can restore it. Okay? Anyway, I know this was limited on how I could help you, but hopefully it gave you enough that you'll be able to finish it yourself. Okay? God bless you. Bye-bye.